Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for an episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Back after popular demand. Yes, I have been taking a bit of time out from shopping on Aliexpress, but needs must, we have to have a look. So I've been hunting you down some wonderful washi tape, and there's lots and lots of various washi here. So the first lot are these gorgeous, they're vintage sort of themed washi tape. They are 89p to £1.83. You can click on the link in the description below for all of these washes. I have numbered them in various sets. So this is set number 1, and as you can see, they are just gorgeous, very vintage. Love these playing cards, they are just adorable. So this is set number 2 that's coming up here. It's a bit more colourful, great for your happy planners, or your planners in general, but you can also use them on your your vintage things. So you don't have to just have all vintage colours. These are very bright and beautiful, and they are 89p to £1.10. So as you can see here, very pretty. I love this one as well. This one has got a little vintage look to it, and this one very beautiful with lots of flowers. So excuse me, set number 3 is coming up here, and these are £1.32 a roll, but they're wider. They're nice wide rolls, and there are colourful ones, there are vintage ones, there are flowered ones, all different ones. This is really super cute. I love this lined grid washi, and this one with all these little bits of ephemera. So there is a mixture in here, and this flower, love this, very Parisian, but it's in English, but it looks Parisian to me. And this one's very shabby chic. So set number 4, 89p to £1.47. Lots of prettiness here, mixed in with some vintage as well, with this vintage ephemera letters and bills, etc., receipts. And then you also have this one here, which is very patterned. That's all I can say. And this time I have got some for my planners, because I like to make them more colourful, but I am going to be doing some vintage pages just to mix it up. Love this one here with all these postage stamps, super cool. And then this one with all these petals here. So that was set number 4, and this one is set number 5. This one is just gorgeous. It has you can have ladies, there's a very British one, there's these little animals, Christmassy sort of themed one, which would be great for your planner for the Christmas months. Then we have these lovely dolphins, and this one very British. Love this, very British, with all the buses and things. Then you've got this cutesy one with mermaids and lots of loveliness and girliness, and this is a very vintage one coming up here. This is set number 6, and this is 89p to £1.65. I like this one. I love the very country sort of scenes here on this one here, and this one just different. I just saw this and thought it was super cool. This one with the stars and the moon and the nighttime things, and then these lovely patterned shapes, designs here, and this one is just stars. And then we have set number 7, which is £1.28 to £2.20, and again there's lots of different things in here. This next one is one of my favourites with the poppies. I just love poppies. I don't know what it is. I think it's the significance behind them. And then this one is a very vintage postage, postcards, etc. And then of course I had to get this cat one, didn't I? Yes, I had to get that for my cat journal, which I have found all my bits now. This one has dolphins and little sharks, and this one has bears. And this next set is £1.10, and it is just monochrome and black and white, just lovely designs, so that you can, I would vintage these up probably with some distress ink, because I don't like too much white. I love this one where you can write something in the middle, so you kind of like got labels here. And then we have this script one, and then we have these lovely cute ladies. Look at these are lovely. So if you want a lady on a project, that's the one to get. And this next one has little bunny rabbits. So that's what's in my basket today. Don't forget, you can click on the link to order any of the products. I hope you have enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.